Our IKEA restaurant does a lot of business, and we serve many, many plates of meatballs. I think it's the combination of the lingonberry jam that it's served with, kind of give you a salty, sweet mix. And they are just beloved by so many. What's new for IKEA is that we now not only have our traditional meatballs, but we also have salmon balls for our fish-eating customers, and then we also have our veggie balls for our vegetarians. Then you can take home our Swedish meatballs and our gravy and our desserts and many other items in our Swedish food market. And then for our customers who last chance want to grab something to eat on the way out, at our bistro, we have hot dogs. We have the new veggie dog, which is really delicious. And then we also have ice cream and sodas and pizza, and that's where you can get our classic cinnamon rolls. So we have a couple of big activities that occur in IKEA food each year. Right, so the first one would be Påskborg. Unfortunately, in IKEA Live Oak, we will not be able to celebrate the Påskborg. It's coming up too quickly for us. It's really in conjunction with Easter. The next one we have that's a big tradition in Sweden is we have Midsummer. This is where we celebrate the longest day of the year. So that's a really fun one. And then next, in September, we have crayfish, not to be confused with crawfish. Right? It's prepared differently, and that happens in September, where we have our Crayfish Festival. And then for Christmas, we have Yuleborg. We have an amazing kids menu where our kids can choose from many different options that are both healthy and delicious. It is about family friendly. That's what IKEA is all about.